This AI tool makes art so good, it feels like cheese. Can you guess which AI tool we are discovering today? Type a sentence, get a masterpiece. MidJourney turns text into jaw-dropping visuals.
Want a logo, a painting, or a movie scene?
Designers spend hours sketching. MidJourney does it in seconds. Efficiency has a new name.
It is like having a personal art studio on demand, open 24 hours a day.
Why does it feel illegal? Because it gives you pro-level art without needing pro-level skills. Whether you are a professional designer or a curious dreamer, the power is yours.
Explore textures, lighting, and composition that would take years to master traditionally. The software learns from your feedback, refining every pixel to match your unique intent. Watch as simple prompts evolve into complex, layered, and highly detailed visual narratives. You define the mood, the color palette, and the atmosphere with just a few keystrokes. The speed is breathtaking, allowing you to iterate through hundreds of concepts in minutes.
You are the director of this visual symphony, orchestrating every element with text.
The interface is simple, intuitive, and designed to keep you in the flow state.
Imagine the possibilities for your projects, your brand, or your personal creative journey. Join the revolution of groups as VIAs who are redefining what it means to make art.
Your portfolio is about to get a massive upgrade with these stunning AI visuals. Clients will be amazed at the speed and quality of the work you produce. It is time to stop dreaming and start creating with the power of MidJourney. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and become a digital visionary? Subscribe before they ban us, because this kind of power is truly addictive.
See you in the next episode, where we continue to unlock the AI tool.